Exploring personality and intersectionality reflecting video.
If someone new asked, "Tell me about yourself," what would you say? What do you usually share first? What feels important to say? Does the context change on what you choose to say?
Hi, my name is Maninder Kaur. I'm originally from Punjab, which is in the north side of India, and I moved to in Australia 2009 and settled into Shepparton. I'm now in my late 30 and I'm studying social worker. When someone new asks me question about myself, I usually start by saying I'm a student and a mother of kids working at aged care and studying in Latrobe to be a social worker. Depending on my situation, I also mention my first language is not English. I feel proud of how much I improved, even though I still feel a little clumsy sometimes about how I speak overall. I'm near fluent speaker. If I'm in a casual setting, I might talk about my culture or things I miss about this Punjab.
Are there aspects of your identity that you wouldn't talk about with someone new that you are comfortable to share here? Reflect on why do you think that is. If you are not comfortable to share, explain why.
Yes, definitely. I don't always talk about how hard it was adjust to life in Australia. In the beginning, especially being away from my family, starting off my only with the two suitcase with my husband, going to college and starting over the limiting sport. I also don't always talk about being a migrant woman who had a push through many financial and social challenges quietly. So I keep it private, but it here I feel safe to share it because I know reflection is important in social work and make a good impression to make them comfortable with sharing their story. These experiences have made me more compassionate about helping people in need because I was once there. So that was my compassionate.
This question is about intersectionality. Tell us about different aspects of your identity and/or experiences and provide an example of the ways these aspects connect and affect of how others see you or how you see yourself.
Yeah, I have many parts of my identity. I am Punjabi woman, a migrant, a mother, a uni student, and someone who has learned a lot English. Each of these things affect how I see the world and how others might too see me. For example, sometimes people assume I don't understand. Sometimes just because of my accent is totally is different from the Aussies that I'm not. From here to born, so but in a reality I have a lot of experience and knowledge now. It just maybe not perfect English, but now I can speak is fluent in English and I learn about and a lot improvement. So I remember once during group work, someone skipped over my suggestion and then later repeated the same idea like it was their own. That made me feel really betrayed, but over time, I have learned to speak and trust on my own voice. These different parts of me began an older student from a different culture and a migrant all intersect. It does not just affect how others treat me, but also how confidence I feel. I much confidence feel in my life, what I can do in my life. So, and they give me a unique point of view that makes me not judge anymore anyone. So because I was there once, maybe not same sense or similar attitude from others, which one I can manage now very well too in my life.
What are some ways that your life experiences or identity might shape how you are to respond to certain topics or people in this subject? This question is about positionality. Consider concepts of privilege or marginalization What might you need to be mindful of?
Yeah. According to my experience of treatment as a woman from a non-English speaking background and is someone had to be fight opportunity, I mean, I'm more likely to notice others being left out or judged because I was there once. But I also need to be careful. My background could sometimes make me assume I understand someone else's experience, but I have learned that everyone is different. So I need to practice culture sensitivity and always stay open to learning, not assuming. I think my position helped me care deeply about social justice. At the same time, I know my way, see, it is not the only way.